and good morning, my dear students. Today, teacher will continue the next subtopic 4.2, Union of Sets. Okay, turn page 106 in your textbooks. Okay, the union of sets P and Q is written using the symbol like this, like U alphabet. Okay, P union Q represents all the elements in set P and Q or in both sets P and Q. Okay, or the words or. Okay, using Venn diagram, we can show the concept of union of sets. Okay, look here. P, Q, for this diagram, P union Q, we can shade the diagram like this. Okay, okay, this is the answer. Okay, P union Q. Okay, for this one, P union Q, okay, we can shade the diagram all P and all Q. Okay, for this one, we have a three sets, P, Q, and R. Q union R, so only Q and R involved here. All Q and all R. Okay, for this one, P union Q union R, so we'll shade all P, all Q, and all R. Okay, easy, right? Okay, and now we look at example 8, page 108. It is given that set P equal factors of 24, set Q equal multiple of 3 which are less than 20, and set R equal multiple of 4 which less than 20. A. List all the elements of the following unions of sets. Okay, we do one by one. I do number 1 first. P union Q. Okay, so we list all the P. Okay, we do number 1. P union Q. Okay, so we have to list all the P. Okay, factors of 20. How to get factors of 20? Okay, this is the easy way. We do the divide multiplication, we divide many times. Okay, here should be the prime number. Okay, if this is the even number, so it's better to divide by 2. Okay, 24 divided by 2 is 12. Okay, even number, okay, divide by 2. 12 divided by 2, 6. Even number, so this is 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. And last one is 3. Okay, 3 divided by 3 is 1. This number is a prime number. Okay, so we list all inside here, all inside here. So 1, 3, 6, 12, and 24. And we write the combination from here, all the combination here. Okay, 3 has 2 times 2, 4. Okay, then 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. Okay, 2 times 3, 6. Got ready? 2 times 2, 4. Okay. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Okay, so this is all. Then we list the Q. Okay, Q is multiple of 3 which are less than 20. Okay, so multiple of 3 means we have to start with the 3 first. Okay, 3. And then 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So we have to stop here because less than 20. Now we can write P union Q equal. Okay, we combine all the elements P and Q but cannot write twice, yeah? Okay, so to be safe, you write this first. The first one you write first. 1, 3, 6, 12, 24, 4, 2, 8. Yeah? Then okay, 8, yeah? First, you write all the P, okay, all the P, and then you go to Q. 3, okay, 3 got already, no need. 6 have already. 9, don't have, so write 9. Okay. 12 has already. 15, don't have, so write 15. Okay, 18, don't have here, so must write. Okay, so the union is you write the combination of P and Q but cannot write twice for the same number. Okay, now we do number 2. Okay, P we have already, so P is 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, okay, 6, 8, 12, 24, yeah? And then R, multiple of 4 which less than 20. If multiple, you have to write this number first. Okay, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. And 16 plus 4 is 20. 16 plus 4 is 20, but because it's less than 20, 20 not included. Okay, 20 is not included. Okay, so P union R equal to, okay, you write first all the P, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Then you take the R, okay, 4 has already, no need. 8 has already. 12 has already. 16, add 16, yeah, because 16 is not here. Yeah, this is the answer for number 2, yeah. Q union R, okay, so we'll write all the Q. Q is 3 which are less than 20, so 3, 6, 9, 20, 15, 18, yeah. Okay, R, multiple of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so Q union R, okay, you copy all the Q first. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And then you write the R, 4, none here, so write 4. 8, don't have, so write 8. 12, got already, no need. 16, don't have, so write 16. Okay, if you want to arrange the answer, make sure your answer is correct. Yeah? The final one is considered as an answer. Now we look at number 4. Okay, P is okay, factor of 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Okay, Q is a multiple of 3 less than 20. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And R is a multiple which multiple of 4 less than 20. So 4, 8, 12, 16. To write P union Q union R equal to, first you write all the P. Don't worry, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay, so this is all P, and then after you did P, you go to Q. Okay, 3, check. Got already. 6 has 9. Don't have, so write 9. 12, got ready. 15, don't have, so write 15. 18, don't have, so write 18. Okay, now you do the art. One by one, 4 has already. 8, got. 12, got. 16, don't have, so write 16. Okay, this is the answer for P union Q union R. It's easy, is it correct? Okay. This is the answer, yeah? Okay, so if you want to arrange in ascending, make sure you do correctly, or you can leave the answer like this. Okay, now we continue example 8, part B. Draw a Venn diagram to represent sets P, Q, and R, and shade the region that represent the following unions of sets. 1. P union Q. Now we copy P union Q from the previous answer. Before we solve example 8 part B, we have to do some extra work, yeah? Okay, now we list the P, okay, we list the Q and the R, P, yeah? Okay, now we do P intersect Q, and then P intersect R, and then Q intersect R, and then P intersect Q intersect R. Okay, so we have to find this first, yeah? Okay, P intersect Q. Okay, which one is the same? 3. Okay, 3 same. P and Q, 3 same. 6 and 12, yeah? Okay, 12. P intersect R. Okay, look here. 4, 8, 12. Okay, 4, 8, 12. 4, 8, 12. Q intersect R. Okay, the same is 12. No more, yeah? Q intersect R is 12 only. And P intersect Q intersect R only 12, yeah? Okay, so set P and set Q and set R has 12 same, huh? Okay, now we can draw the Venn diagram. We draw 3 big circle. Okay, this is for P and this is for Q and this is for R. We start from here. We start this first. P intersect Q intersect R is 12. Because this is the element, not the how many, so we must write dot 12. P intersect Q, 3, 6, 12. Okay, 3, 6, 12. 12 got already. And then P intersect R, okay, 12 and 4, 8. And Q intersect R, okay, 12. Got already, yeah? Q intersect R, 12. No need to write here. And then we list P. What is P? P is 1, 2, 3. Got already, 4. Okay, which one is missing here? 24, yeah? Q, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18, yeah? R is 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, and 16, yeah? One more, 16. So we can shade P union Q. Then this is the shade P union Q. And shade like this, huh? All P and Q, yeah? All P and Q. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, number 2 is P union Q union R. So it means all P, Q and R. You draw another diagram, okay? P union Q union R is this one here, or okay. Okay, done, huh? Now I want you to do self-practice 4.2a, page 109, question 1, question 2, question 3, and question 4. After you finish the exercise, I want you to check the answer at the back of the textbook. If you still cannot get the answer, you can message me and I will explain. Until we'll meet the next class. Okay, bye.